Welcome to this 3-bed, 3.5-bath home in the Rosewood neighborhood, which is in North Edmond off of Waterloo and Penn. And when we come in the front door, we walk into this beautiful foyer that overlooks the living room, kitchen, and then right to the right we have our office, and then right to the left we have this staircase that leads upstairs. So to the right we have this beautiful office with a really pretty light fixture that sits at the front of the home, which I love because then you can kind of see all the neighbors, see what's going on. The flooring in this house is that wood look tile, so very durable. And then from here we walk into the living room, so a really large living space here, big windows in the back, straight into this gorgeous kitchen. So this kitchen, so a few things I love about it is I love the natural wood look down here on the island, also that built-in storage in the island, but then also the white accents, the glass storage at the top that have the lights in it, the under cabinet lighting. You've got this pantry here, really convenient, beautiful appliances, and then from the sink here, as you're looking out, this is kind of what you see. So you can be doing dishes, watching TV, and then right here to the dining room, which this is your technically only formal dining space. Technically, if you wanted to make the front room a formal dining room, you could, but this is a very large space. So you could fit a very large table in here, maybe like a buffet or a cabinet there. And then over this direction, we have kind of the master suite with the laundry and with a half bath. So when you have people over, they can come use this half bath. You also have this really cute drop zone for backpacks and shoes. In the garage is a 3-car garage. It's got lighting in here. So really spacious, really deep, lots of storage. And this house is on 3/4 of an acre. This neighborhood is SHOP approved. So let's take a look in this bathroom, this half bath. Really simple, but kind of some cute little designs in it as well. That green cabinet and then this pretty tile. And then out of here, we have the laundry room, which again, I really like the way they did the tile in here. Kind of gives it that nice feature. And then the nice cabinets with, you can hang some clothes there, washer and dryer. And then straight from the laundry room, you have your master closet. Very spacious, tons of storage. You've got all of these over here. So tons of places for shirts and pants and then dresses. And then you also have these right here that you could easily put some kind of bins in and can organize some more stuff. So tons of storage in this closet. And then from the closet, we head straight into the bathroom. And the bathroom has this nice, pretty walk-in shower. Very spacious. And then you have 2 separate vanities. So you've got the longer vanity over here, and then you've got the other vanity here. And you also have these cabinets here for extra storage. And then a pretty tub with some windows over top. I really like how they did the design here, kind of separating those windows. I think it's really pretty. And then your toilet room. And here's kind of the other look. So when you come in from the master bedroom, this is the look that you get. So then out of here, we have our master bedroom. So I would say the obvious place really to put the bed would be right here in between the windows, which still leaves you tons of space over here. You could even do like a little couch and sitting area. You have the double doors going into the bathroom. So really a good space in here. And then out of here, we kind of just made a loop. So we go back here through the dining and the kitchen. Here's kind of a look of the kitchen this way. And I'm gonna save upstairs for last because that's one thing that I love about this house. And then right over here, we have a nice storage closet, which goes super deep. So you can store all sorts of stuff in here. Christmas decorations. I've seen some people turn these into like the pet rooms. So you definitely have lots of storage here in this closet here. Okay, and then out from here, We're gonna go to the bedroom. So we have one bedroom here on the left with nice size closet, and I love how they painted these doors. It just makes it look really chic and elegant. And then you can see that there's another bedroom straight through there, but there's also the Jack and Jill bathroom. So one thing I love that they put the doors where each bedroom has their own sink and privacy, and then the closet is actually another closet here. So this would probably be more of like your linen closet per se, since that room does have a closet right there. But then as you come through, you'll see that there is a whole wall of storage. So you could also put sheets and towels and extra storage here. These shelves are adjustable, so you can kind of move them up and down, which is really nice. And then you have your toilet and shower here with a pretty window at the top to give a lot of natural light in. And then this pretty kind of textured subway tile with the herringbone kind of pattern in the back. And then from this side, you'll see that you have your sink, but then you have a huge walk-in closet over here on this side. So this room doesn't necessarily have a closet in the room, which I think really helps with the space of the floor plan, because you can easily put a bed here. You don't have to worry about a closet on this wall or this wall. So you have your bedroom here, and then you have your sink, your walk-in closet, and then the Jack and Jill bathroom right here. So I really love the way that these two bedrooms are laid out. You can see from here it's overlooking the backyard, which again is on 3/4 of an acre. So it's got a really nice backyard to it. And then we're gonna come through here. And then now we're gonna head upstairs. So when you come from these bedrooms, this is kind of the look that you have. And then we're gonna come up here. And I really like these pretty kind of railings going up to the upstairs. And it's all very open. So you've got a bonus room up here. Could turn this into like a nice play area. Really could be ping pong table. You could do a lot of stuff up here. And the best thing about up here is that it has a bathroom. So when you have people over, they don't have to go downstairs. They have a full bathroom here. And if you decided that maybe you wanted to make this more of like a mother-in-law suite and you put a bed here, there would be an obvious bathroom for them to use. And then you do have this nice little kind of storage closet. There's no racks or anything, but easy to store just Christmas decorations. You also have easy access to the attic from here. So nice little storage room. You could easily add in shelves and make this like a whole real closet. So yeah, this is kind of that look. Really big windows in the front overlooking the neighbor and the street ahead of you. So from here, we're gonna go back downstairs and take one last look at kind of the living area and that pretty kitchen. And I also love how this window here lets in all the natural light to the staircase, because this is so open. It has that very industrial yet kind of modern farmhouse look to it. So really pretty. So from here, you can see we have the living room into the kitchen. You have the dining room back there, and then your office. So overall, this house is absolutely beautiful. It is 2,855 square feet. It is listed under 600,000, right at 585,000. Again, it is North Edmond, so it's right off of Waterloo and Penn on 3/4 of an acre. If you are looking to buy or sell in the Edmond area or any of its surrounding areas, please feel free to reach out to me. You can give me a call, text, email, DM. You can schedule a Google Meet. There are lots of ways out there for you to get in contact with me. That way we can help you plan your next move. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in my next video.